Graphene often comes up in conversations about the future of batteries, especially for clean energy and home solar systems. While it is not yet a common feature in residential solar batteries, it is steadily moving from research labs into pilot projects and early commercial testing. This video explains where graphene batteries stand today, how they may be used in home solar systems in the future, who is developing them, and what their real advantages and limitations are. It also looks at likely timelines and costs, so homeowners can better understand when graphene-based storage may become a practical option. Before we get started, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. It only takes a second, and it really helps to support my work. Thanks for watching, and let's begin. At the moment, nearly all home solar batteries rely on well-established lithium-ion chemistries, particularly lithium iron phosphate, LFP, and nickel-based variants. These systems are proven, certified, and widely supported by installers and manufacturers. But graphene is not yet a meaningful part of mainstream residential storage. Most graphene-related work is happening at the cell level rather than in finished home battery products. Developers are focusing on electric vehicles, aerospace, industrial uses, and grid-scale storage where performance gains justify higher costs and development risk. In the residential market, graphene is still viewed as a next-generation improvement rather than a near-term replacement for existing lithium-ion systems. For home solar applications, graphene is being explored in two main ways. The first approach enhances traditional lithium-ion batteries by adding graphene to electrodes or electrolytes. This can improve safety, thermal performance, charging speed, and overall lifespan while keeping the familiar lithium-ion structure. The second approach involves entirely new battery platforms, most notably graphene aluminum-ion systems. These batteries replace lithium with aluminum and use graphene-based cathodes. They are designed primarily for stationary storage, where fast charging, long cycle life, and safety are often more important than maximizing energy density. Several companies and research groups are pushing graphene batteries toward commercial use. In the United States, Nanotech Energy is developing graphene-enhanced lithium-ion cells that use a non-flammable electrolyte. The company positions these batteries as significantly safer than conventional lithium-ion, and has stated that both electric vehicles and stationary energy storage are key target markets. In Australia, Graphene Manufacturing Group, often referred to as GMG, is one of the most advanced developers of graphene aluminum-ion batteries. Its design uses graphene cathodes and aluminum foil electrodes, with applications aimed squarely at grid and energy storage markets rather than portable electronics. Across Asia, particularly in China, multiple battery manufacturers already offer graphene-enhanced lithium-ion packs. These are mainly used in electric vehicles, drones, and specialty equipment, but the underlying technology could later be adapted for stationary storage. In parallel, universities and research consortia in Europe, the United States, and Australia are exploring graphene in solid-state batteries and advanced lithium-ion systems, although most of this work remains at the laboratory or pilot stage. One of the biggest potential benefits of graphene-based batteries is improved safety. Graphene-enhanced cells can use non-flammable electrolytes and spread heat more effectively, which significantly reduces the risk of thermal runaway compared with conventional lithium-ion batteries. This is especially appealing for home installations. Graphene batteries also show strong performance in fast charging and high power delivery. Graphene aluminum-ion systems and some graphene-enhanced lithium-ion cells can charge in minutes and handle sudden power demands. This makes them well-suited for managing rapid changes in solar output or short bursts of high household energy use. Another promising advantage is long cycle life. GMG has reported targets of more than 10,000 charge cycles with around 70% capacity retention for its graphene aluminum-ion cells. If achieved in real-world systems, this would far exceed the typical lifespan of today's residential lithium-ion batteries. Despite their promise, graphene batteries face several challenges. The biggest issue today is maturity and bankability. Conventional lithium-ion batteries have decades of data, safety certifications, and financing options behind them. Graphene-based systems, by comparison, still carry technical and financial risk for homeowners. Energy density is another consideration. Some graphene aluminum-ion and early graphene-enhanced systems have lower or only comparable energy density to standard lithium-ion batteries. This means residential battery packs could be larger or heavier for the same usable capacity. Cost and supply uncertainty also remain obstacles. While developers expect long-term costs to be competitive, early products are likely to be more expensive and available in limited volumes, until manufacturing scales up and supply chains stabilize. Graphene-enhanced lithium-ion batteries are the closest to market readiness. Nanotech Energy has announced production of graphene-enhanced 21,700 cells from its facility in Chico, California, starting in 2025. These cells could begin appearing in niche stationary storage systems later in the decade, although widespread residential adoption will depend on system integration, certifications, and support from major inverter and battery manufacturers. Graphene aluminum-ion batteries are slightly further out. GMG's systems are at an advanced pilot stage, with partner testing and early commercial supply expected around 2026 to 2027. Larger-scale deployment for home and grid storage is more likely in the 2030s, after full validation, scaling, and system-level certification. Other graphene-based concepts, including solid-state and hybrid battery capacitor systems, remain in research or early pilot phases. Meaningful residential availability for these technologies is generally expected beyond 2030. Early pricing signals suggest that graphene batteries will start at a premium. GMG has stated that its graphene aluminum-ion batteries should be priced below high-power lithium titanate oxide systems. This can reach around $1,500 per kilowatt-hour, and the material and manufacturing costs could be similar to or lower than standard lithium-ion over time. Current market listings for graphene-enhanced lithium-ion packs indicate higher prices than commodity lithium-ion, largely due to low production volumes and specialized performance. As manufacturing scales and graphene production costs fall, analysts expect prices to move closer to mainstream lithium-ion, with the potential for lower lifetime costs thanks to longer service life and improved safety. Graphene batteries are not yet a practical option for most home solar systems, but they are steadily moving closer. Today's residential market is best served by proven lithium-ion technologies such as LFP, while graphene-enhanced lithium-ion and graphene aluminum-ion batteries continue to mature through pilot projects and early commercial deployments. For homeowners planning a solar installation now, established chemistries remain the safest choice. For those looking ahead, the late 2020s and 2030s are when graphene-based batteries are most likely to become certified, affordable, and backed by real-world performance data. With technology moving so quickly, these batteries should be available worldwide in the near future. Leave me a comment before you go, and check out some of my other videos if you have time. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.